Wait. Okay. Okay. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Oh! I'm popping off! I'm popping off! Whew! Yo, what's up, boys? It's ohJoyz coming at you with another Destiny video. Wait, this isn't Destiny. This is Krunker. That's right, today I'm playing Krunker. I've played a bit of this, a fair amount, using the assault rifle thing, the Triggerman class. Pretty great. Gotten a lot of people really mad. They've accused me of hacks. Yep, a few times I've been accused of hacks. I think it's actually kind of funny. Like, why would anyone hack in this game? If you don't know, just go to krunker.io in your web browser and boom, this is what you'll see. You click to play and it's super fun. I'm popping off already, dude. Oh god. Okay, so in this game, the two most relevant weapons, well, some of the most relevant weapons are the fully automatic ones, but if you can actually aim, then it's actually probably a better idea to use a sniper, because snipers can one-shot, and one-shotting in general in this game is really, really good. I find that snipers take, in general, less skill than ARs, and also some of the hit detection in this game is a little weird, but you know, it's whatever. Just kind of spraying down the hallway. Like, I could not see him there, and yet I still hit him with that shot, which makes zero sense. Maybe there's like travel time and I just don't know about it. Yeah, that was kind of unfortunate. He just got pushed over and over again. Oh no. Yeah, he snipe bodied me and then pistoled me. Yeah, that's a snipe. So upper body, I believe, and headshot kills, like upper, like collarbone and headshot are one shots with snipes, I think. Dude, I just got pinched. Okay, so I got an assist and a long shot, as you saw there. So there's a guy with a rocket launcher here. Yep, he's gonna kill me. So rocket launchers in this game are kind of annoying, actually. And that guy was just trying to snipe me. This guy's probably gonna turn around and kill me. Nope. Another guy's gonna kill me from behind after I get him. Wow. That was sad. This game, despite being a web browser game, has a better server tick rate than Destiny 2. Just let that sink in. Destiny 2 has worse servers than this game. Oh. Everybody left the lobby. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm playing against FaZe Rain? Okay. I got him. Oh man, that would have been awesome. Just keeping that going, that would have been crazy. Alright, oh no. It's reloading. Ah, that was a spray. Oh no, I thought I got him. Ah, I don't know how that hit him, but it did. See, headshots kill so much faster than anything else with this. It's like crazy. I'm really enjoying these spawns, like these instant respawns. It's a nice change of pace from Destiny 2, where, oh goodness, focus. Ah, rain, why? It's a nice change of pace from Destiny 2, where it takes like 10 seconds to respawn sometimes. Ah, he body shotted me. Oh, he just spawned in front of me. If I would have spawn trapped him, that would have been crazy. What? I just got so many kills? That was crazy. Is he gonna come back? Come back here. Yeah, there you go. Oh, man. Like, I'm actually playing against FaZe Rain. Oh, my God. No, I almost got him. That was super close, dude. I got a top frag. If I don't beat FaZe Rain, then what is my life? What is my life, huh? No, I almost did that. That would have been crazy. Ooh! Gotta promote my YouTube, playing against FaZe Rain. Ah, that was crazy. Alright, I'm fragging right now. Damn, Palmer 5. That's kind of surreal. I can't believe I just beat FaZe Rain on Krunker. He's like a Krunker god. Gotta farm the AFK guy. Ooh. No, no. That's what I thought. Ah. Oh. That guy on boxes is, interesting. I will say that. I bet you couldn't pay him to leave boxes. I'm gonna sit here on boxes. You can't make me leave. Unless you kill me, which isn't gonna happen. Because I have the head glitch advantage. By the way, I'm imitating Palmer, not actually saying that. God, dude, why do people hate me? I don't understand. Okay, how did I get a hit marker on those? Ooh! 30 and 9. That's pretty epic, dude. Pretty epic. I'm gonna change lobbies. Do I want to? Do I want to? I don't know. Do I? No, I won't. You know that guy's salty already. Oh, we got a UMP Azure. That's cool. These guys are just kind of feeding me. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna change classes because I'm getting kind of bored of Triggerman. I'm gonna try Hunter. From what I've seen, Hunter, it's really weird. I don't know. It's kind of strange. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I can't tell if no scopes go directly in the center of your screen or not. Because I have a reticle there, and so far it hasn't worked out. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Oh! I'm popping off! I'm popping off! Whew! I just freaking popped off, man. That's insane. Holy Jesus. Ah! No! Oh man, that was great. No! You got me with the pistol. Gotta reload my pistol. Oh no! I gotta reload my sniper too. Crap. That would have been crazy. Dude, I was popping off there at the beginning when I swapped to this. Look, GG, right there. I'm telling you. It's every time. I just popped off. That was actually kind of insane. Holy crap. Got him. Ooh! I'm not exactly sure how I killed him. It looked like I shot him in the feet, but whatever. Oh my goodness, Love Drive, or Love Doctor. I don't know why I assumed it was Love Drive. It's probably Love Doctor. Nice try, dude. Oh. Oh man, Insands. Ah, Insands, like Sans, but insane. That would have been kind of disgusting if he got me there. Not gonna lie. Oh, my sniper wasn't even reloaded. Love Doctor. That was a pretty good jump shot. Ah, dang it. Where did he go? Oh, he died. Like, the spawns really aren't that bad. I haven't been able to, like, watch someone spawn. No! Snipers in this game are actually probably better than ARs. Like, not even joking here. Oh! Oh god! I don't have any, anything. Any ammo in my snipe. Ah, that would have been great. Okay, no spawn there. Gonna hard scope that. Oh crap. Yep, I knew it. The key is to really just keep moving. Like, that's the only way that anyone's ever gonna win a gunfight in this game. Oh god. Yeah. Crap. I just got that, like, that was a buzzer beater. Holy crap. 28 and 13. Not bad, honestly. Sniper is kind of busted. But really quick, before I end the video, I'm going to go to the shop. And I'm going to use this completely addictive system that they have, where you play the game, earn KR, credits or something. Oh my goodness, epic. It's like they know, dude. It's like they know. So that's the first epic I've ever gotten. This is pretty dope, honestly. 15% epic. Ooh, that's actually a cool skin. Alright, and final case opening. Alright, it's a rare. 30%. Fleckin' LMG. Alright, well anyhow, back to the outro. I don't mean to flex, but I beat FaZe Rain. Pretty awesome. Anyhow, with that being said, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram in the description, and you can join the Discord through the link in the description. Plus, you can join my Destiny 2 clan on Bungie.net through that link. And that's all for me today, boys. I'm out. Peace.